Meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
Major changes are headed to the South Plains, not only because a cold front's headed our way, but we could be dealing with rainfall very soon. Take a look at today in review. This morning, we didn't see too much in the way of cloud cover, giving us a mild start in the early morning hours. Then we quickly warmed up, obviously so, because we saw so much sunshine. But going further into the hours, the clouds did begin to build across the South Plains, and they're only going to get thicker as we head into the next several hours. Here's the game plan. We've got a cold front pushing into the South Plains. Right now, we still are dealing with a westerly wind, but in just a little bit, as this cold front pushes its way through, which is already in the panhandle, we will begin to see numbers drop, wind speeds going up, and with clouds, well, they're going to begin to really increase over the next little bit. Amarillo coming in 85 degrees. We're at 88 in the hub. Check out what's happening over in Midland, 92, 94 in Abilene. Pretty hot for the entire state of Texas, especially when you compare it to other zones. In your backyard, the warmer weather off towards the south and east, where we are above the 90-degree mark. Along the Texas-New Mexico state line, we are right in the mid-80s. All in all, gorgeous day, and it finally is beginning to feel like we are springing into summer. But we're going to kind of fall back just a little bit in the hours to come. Winds right now still coming in out of the west, 14 miles per hour in Levelland. Plainview coming in out of the west-southwest at 12 miles. Not so bad when it comes to those winds, but overnight, that's when the winds will become a little bit of a tyrant. We're going to see them pushing in strictly out of the north right around 2 o'clock in the morning. This is when the cold front's going to push its way through. Wind speeds will be sustained around 25 to 35 miles per hour at times, with gusts close to 50. So please bring in any of your planters. Make sure they are inside, or if you have delicate plants, make sure that you are paying very nice attention to them, because they could end up being a little disturbed. Then we head on into Saturday. Notice these winds. This is what we want. Easterly flow, not only in Saturday, but it continues into Sunday and portions of Monday. We've got easterly winds. They're not high wind speeds by any means, but they at least are coming in out of the east around 15 miles per hour, drawing in some nice moisture. That is going to aid us and help us in the days to come. Now, Monday afternoon, we will begin to see those winds coming in strictly out of the south around 20 to 25 miles per hour, looking to be a little on the breezy side of things. So as far as high wind speeds are concerned, overnight tonight, and then again, we'll be dealing with them Monday into Tuesday for our high winds. But over the next few days, at least, we'll be dealing with some nice conditions. Cloud cover will continue to pour in over the next several hours. We quickly clear out by tomorrow afternoon, giving a gorgeous day. And this particular model run is trying to indicate that we will see a potential isolated shower or two up towards Amarillo and over into Clovis and over Muleshoe region. As far as this actually hitting the surface, sadly right now we just do not see that moisture content to actually allow us to have the rainfall. But of course we're going to keep praying, and we'll continue to keep an eye on the sky. As far as the 7-day though goes, it's looking pretty nice. Tomorrow morning, 53 degrees for the low. We will get up to 80 by the afternoon. Obviously that's about 10 degrees cooler than what we did have today, because that cold front's going to push through. Winds going to be a little rambunctious in the early morning hours and early tomorrow afternoon. Then they will calm down. Clouds are going to go away, giving us a gorgeous day. Sunday is going to be on the breezy side, 91 degrees for the high, and we continue this warming trend. 96 on into Monday, where we are anticipating the breezy conditions, as well as into Tuesday. Then we slightly cool off Wednesday into Thursday. Notice we do have a 10% chance of rainfall. We'll keep leaving it at 10% until we get a little closer. But the model runs today as well as yesterday, both of them are agreeing that we could actually bump that percentage up. I just want to make sure that we are telling you the truth the whole time. I don't want to get anyone's hopes up. Continue to pray. That dry line is really going to push its way far west. I'm talking it's going to line up along the Texas-New Mexico state line. That is ideal, because, you know, a lot of people say, okay, Lubbock needs rain. Yes, Lubbock does need rain. But you know what? Muleshoe needs rain. We need it in Friona. We need it over in Plainview. We need it everywhere. It's not one particular area. We want all of our friends and family across the South Plains.
Dallas doesn't need rain.
Neither does Abilene.
Can they send it just
It would be so nice if they could.
If they could just send it our way.
I know. If we could just